I'll show you how to install Blender on your Windows computer from start to finish. So whether you're just getting into three-dimensional modeling, animation, or visual effects, yeah, this guide will help you get Blender up and running in just a few minutes. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official Blender website. Once you're there, head over to the download page. The site usually detects your operating system automatically, so you'll normally see the recommended Windows version right away. Now click the download button to begin downloading the installer. Depending on your internet speed, this may take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. While it's downloading, just wait until the file is completely finished. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. If Windows asks for permission, click yes. Then click Next, accept the license agreement, and continue by clicking Next again. You can keep the default installation location unless you want Blender installed somewhere else. Finally, click Install and wait for the installation to finish. After the installation is complete, click Finish to close the installer. You can now launch Blender from the desktop shortcut or from the Windows Start menu. The first launch may take a little longer because Blender is preparing everything for first-time use. When Blender opens, you'll have the option to choose your language, keyboard shortcuts, and a few other preferences. If you're happy with the default settings, simply save your preferences and you're ready to start creating. And that's it. Your Blender installation is now complete. If this guide helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you